We're now in exercise 7.4, question 4. And again, if you read through this, we can write down what we know. And we can see that the kinetic energy is equal to 4,000 joules, given a wind speed of 6.4, so V equals 6.4 meters per second. And we're asked for the mass of air. But again, we can see it must be expressed to 2 decimal places. If we first of all write out the general equation, now much like the previous question, we're going to have to rearrange this equation to express mass. Now I'm going to go through this a little bit more quickly. If you need a more detailed overview, please review question 3 in exercise 7.4. So to get rid of the half, first of all, we seen the last time that we needed to multiply both sides of the equation by 2. And so that became 2 times kinetic energy equals a half m v squared multiplied by 2. So we multiplied the right hand side and indeed the left hand side by 2. We've seen in the previous video, of course, that the half and the 2 cancel each other out, and so we're then left with 2 times kinetic energy equals m v squared. We're now trying to eliminate this v squared on the right hand side, and to do so we will divide both sides of the equation by v squared. That then becomes 2 times kinetic energy divided by v squared equals m v squared divided by v squared, and of course any number divided by itself will cancel out, and so we arrive at mass equals 2 times the kinetic energy divided by v squared. We're now in a position to sub the respective numbers in, and that becomes 2 times the kinetic energy, which was 4,000 joules, divided by the v, which was 6.4, and of course that must be squared. Now mass equals, in this instance, 195.3125 kilograms, but of course we're asked to give this to 2 decimal places, and so the final answer should therefore be 195.31 kilograms. And that's the final answer, and that concludes this particular question.